I'm independent, got my own boo. And I can run the cash up if I want to. Run it up, body cold, frosty. And I'm so bossy, and I'm so saucy. And my clothes cost hood and I'm bougie. Gucci on my booty.
Really quick, I want to apologize if you are unable to read my screen. When I'm recording it, it looks good, but once I placed it into my editor, it kind of became blurry. So I do apologize if you're unable to read this, but this is just a general idea of how to use the app. So I do hope you find the video helpful and hope you guys enjoy. Alright you guys, so this is Walmart Groceries. So first thing you're going to do is pull up the Walmart Grocery app. If you don't have this app, you should totally get this app if you shop at Walmart. It is a lifesaver and it is the only way I get my groceries now. So this is just showing you what it says when you pull it up. I hope you guys can see this. So right there is telling me this, that, you know, this is the store that I would get my Walmart grocery. Excuse me. This is where I would get my Walmart grocery stuff from because this is the closest store to me. Unfortunately, the Walmart closest to me does not do this. So right here, I'm showing you these are the featured items here. This is just showing you the different items that you can order. Where Order Your Essentials is an area where you can go and it's stuff you order a lot. So you can order those from there. You have fresh farm picks, kids cereal, cheese, vegetables, condiments, literally anything that you can think of, you can order online. Like, I was blown away when I found out about this. Like, it's life-changing for me. So these are the different departments. You got school supplies now, lunchbox must-haves, like so much different things. As you can see, notebooks, pencils, pens, paper, glue, anything school supplies. If the Walmart sells it, you can order it online, okay? Like, this is life-changing. I don't know about y'all, but anyway, this is under the section lunchbox must-have. Depending on what time of year it is, or if there's a holiday coming up, they have a specific section for that. As of right now, it's back to school, so they have a, you know, school supply section. And these are just all of the essentials that your child would probably need, like food essentials. Then you got the other sections like fruits and vegetables, deli, you know, eggs and dairy. Like I said, pretty much anything that you would want to order, you can find on this app. And if it's not in stock, it'll say out of stock, as you can see right there. But I'm just showing you guys the different things that the different categories that you have. I order my meat from here a lot, and I've never had any issues. You know, if you like to pick out your own meat, then obviously don't add any meat to your cart. But like I said, I've never had any issues with that. So, you know, I just keep on going and keep on ordering. But these are all the other sections that you have as well. Like I said, pretty much anything that you can think of is on here. So if you don't feel like going grocery shopping, just make sure you do this at least the day before or earlier in the morning, because sometimes they have later they have later options where you can pick it up. If you do it early enough, that is. So I always order lots of milk. I had actually filmed something showing you guys what I normally order, but then I realized that my screen recording has stopped recording at some point and it never saved. But this is how you would order something. You would just click on it and add it to your cart. I'm just going to be adding random things to my cart just to show you guys how to do it. The plus and minus sign is how you would add the quantity of what items that you would get. I'm just showing you how to do it here. And to use Walmart Grocery, you do have to have a $30 minimum. But I mean, it's not a deal breaker. Like, you honestly can't just order like one item and expect them to do the pickup for you. But as long as you have a $30 minimum, you're good. It's time for you to select the time. You go ahead and select the time here, as you can see. And then right here is when you click if you want to allow substitutes. If you don't mind your item being substituted with something greater, then keep that checked. But if you want exactly what it is that you ordered and they don't have it, uncheck everything that you don't want substituted. Like some things, like I wanted it this brand and this brand only, so I uncheck it. But if I don't mind it being substituted, then I'll, you know, keep it checked. And there's my total. You would hit place order when you're ready. Once it's time to pick up your order, you pull up the grocery app, and what you're going to do is go to the front home page of the app, and you're going to hit the button called check in. This is going to allow them to track you to Walmart. I know it might sound crazy, but they're going to track you to Walmart. So you're going to hit the check in button, And then you're going to select the color of your car, and it's going to tell you that you successfully checked in. So they're going to track you. So once you pull up to Walmart, they will bring the groceries out to your car, and then you can go ahead and go home. Like, it's so easy. I'm going to show you guys exactly how that works right now. Hey you guys, so I am doing my Walmart grocery pickup. This is like my most favorite thing to do ever in life right now. A lot of people will be like, oh, well, that's lazy, you should go to the grocery store and get some exercise. Like, look, I go to the grocery store, but I'm over going to the grocery store. I've been going to the grocery store for 8 years. People get on my nerves, people annoy me, people get in my way. I don't know what it is, but when I go to Walmart, like, people just literally get in my way. Like, you try to go down the aisle, people are in the aisle, they're acting crazy. They block you with their shopping carts. They stare at you like you're an alien instead of moving out of the way. I just really don't have the patience anymore for grocery shopping. Even if I'm just going in the store for like 1 or 2 items, like, I'm still annoyed because I just am. So, I'm on my way to Walmart. The Walmart by my house does not do grocery pickup, which really sucks, so I have to drive to a different city Walmart's. But I'll make that drive because I'm saving an hour or more. I'm saving frustration, so it's completely worth it in my eyes. Like, I will continue to do this. So I'm going to show you guys what they do. So I've already shown you how, you know, to use the app. It's super easy and simple. Literally no explanation is really needed, but I just wanted to show you guys. But yeah, so I'm getting close to the Walmart. I've checked into the app, so they're literally tracking me as we speak. So when I pull up, they'll just bring out the stuff. I'll sign for it. They'll put the groceries in my back seat because I don't ever have them put them in my trunk because I don't ever have room in my trunk. And then I'll be good to go. So yeah, I will check in once I get there. It just wants to have me go bottom.
How are you today?
I'm fine, how are you?
Not bad. What was your last name? Awesome, we'll get you right out.
Okay.
1 eternity later.
Okay, so I put mine in my back seat.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
We were out of the lactose-free milk, and then the sugar, we didn't have the 4-pound bag, so we just gave you a 10-pound bag of that.
Okay.
You all right with that? If I could get your sign right there. You said in the back seat?
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
Awesome, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good one.
You too. Come on, car. Like, seriously. Get out the way. You know, it's so funny how the day that I decided to do a video specifically for Walmart grocery is the day they take forever. I would have been home by now any other day. They also don't have any milk. Like, how do you run out of milk? You're Walmart. How does one run out of milk? That's what I don't get. So now I gotta go to another Walmart to get milk. So that really sucks. But I still like Walmart grocery pickup. I will continue to use it because I've never had this experience before. I think it's funny that it happened this way when I decided to film for y'all. But anywho, the process is still the same regardless. So now I'm going to go ahead and head over to another Walmart to get some milk because they didn't have my milk, which really sucks. That really bothers me, y'all, because I had planned on going straight home. Now I gotta go to Walmart, another Walmart. So anyway, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you a little more understanding as to how Walmart grocery pickup works. If you guys like these lifestyle type videos or shopping with me videos, please let me know, because I feel like a lot of people like the Aldi video that I did. I'm going to be doing some more Walmart videos soon, like Walmart clothing videos, because I got some clothes from Walmart that are super cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.